Amazing Animal Facts: The Blue Dragon, Glaucus atlanticus, an expository overview. The blue dragon, scientifically known as Glaucus atlanticus, is a stunningly beautiful marine creature that has captivated the curiosity of ocean enthusiasts and researchers alike. With its vibrant blue hues, delicate body structure, and extraordinary behaviors, the blue dragon stands out as one of the most fascinating species in the underwater world. Despite its small size, this pelagic, open ocean-dwelling sea slug is a highly effective predator, known for its unique adaptations and role in the marine ecosystem. This expository write-up will explore the physical characteristics, habitat, behavior, diet, reproduction, and the conservation status of the blue dragon, shedding light on why this creature is so captivating. Physical characteristics. The blue dragon is a species of nudibranch, which are a group of soft-bodied marine gastropod mollusks. The most striking feature of Glaucus atlanticus is its iridescent, vivid blue coloration, which is not only visually striking but also serves as a form of camouflage in the open ocean. This coloration is due to the animal's ability to absorb pigments from its diet, giving it a brilliant hue that helps it blend with the blue water and its surroundings. The body of the blue dragon is elongated and cylindrical, typically measuring between 2 to 3 centimeters in length, though some individuals can grow slightly longer. Despite its small size, the blue dragon is equipped with several important features that contribute to its survival. Its body is covered in fine, frilly appendages called serrata, which not only increase the surface area of the body but also aid in respiration by allowing the animal to absorb oxygen directly from the water. One of the most notable features of the blue dragon is its delicate, wing-like fins, which protrude from the sides of its body. These fins, known as parapodia, allow the blue dragon to fly gracefully through the water, using gentle undulations. These fins make the blue dragon appear to be gliding or floating effortlessly in the ocean, giving it an almost otherworldly presence. Habitat and distribution. The blue dragon is found in temperate and tropical waters around the world, primarily in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. These creatures inhabit the open ocean, drifting with the currents and rarely coming into contact with the ocean floor. They are usually found in areas where ocean currents bring plankton-rich water to the surface, as these creatures rely on plankton for food. While Glaucus atlanticus is pelagic and spends most of its life floating at or near the ocean surface, it has been spotted in both coastal waters and open seas. It is commonly found in regions with warmer waters, though it has also been known to appear in cooler waters, carried by strong ocean currents. The blue dragon's buoyancy is aided by a gas-filled sac inside its body, which helps it float and move along the surface of the water. The blue dragon is often seen in areas with upwelling currents, where nutrients from the deep ocean are brought to the surface, enriching the ecosystem with plankton, the blue dragon's primary food source. These currents also help the blue dragon drift for long distances, often finding themselves far from shore. Behavior and adaptations. The blue dragon is a fascinating creature not only because of its appearance, but also due to its unique behavior and adaptations. One of the most striking adaptations of Glaucus atlanticus is its ability to float and move through the water with grace. Using its parapodia, the blue dragon propels itself along the ocean surface, allowing it to catch the ocean currents and drift for great distances. Another interesting behavioral adaptation of the blue dragon is its ability to eat like a predator, despite being a small, delicate creature. While many other nudibranch feed on plant matter or detritus, the blue dragon is a carnivorous predator, feeding primarily on smaller marine invertebrates such as jellyfish, siphonophores, and other small planktonic organisms. It has specialized mouthparts that allow it to consume prey much larger than itself, and it has a fascinating way of storing the venomous stinging cells of jellyfish within its body. When the blue dragon eats jellyfish, it absorbs their stinging cells, called nematocysts, into its own tissue. These nematocysts retain their ability to sting and can be used by the blue dragon for self-defense. This unique ability to harness the venom of its prey provides the blue dragon with protection from larger predators. The blue dragon can release these stinging cells from its serrata to deter potential threats, making it a formidable, if tiny, adversary in the ocean's food web. Diet and feeding habits. The blue dragon is a carnivorous feeder and primarily preys on other planktonic animals, such as jellyfish, bristleworms, and siphonophores. It is particularly known for feeding on the Portuguese man-o'-war, Physalia physalis, a colonial organism that resembles a jellyfish but is actually made up of different, specialized polyps. Despite the Portuguese man-o'-war's dangerous sting, the blue dragon is immune to its venom and can consume it with ease. In addition to jellyfish, the blue dragon may also feed on other soft-bodied marine invertebrates and small organisms found in the upper layers of the ocean. The blue dragon uses its tentacle-like appendages to capture its prey, and once it has grasped its prey, it uses a specialized mouth to consume it, all while utilizing the venomous nematocysts from jellyfish to defend itself against larger predators. As a predator, the blue dragon plays an important role in controlling the populations of smaller marine animals, such as jellyfish. However, its small size means that it must remain vigilant, relying on its speed, camouflage, and venomous defenses to avoid being eaten by larger predators, such as fish and seabirds. Reproduction and life cycle. The reproductive behavior of the blue dragon is equally fascinating. Like other nudibranch, the blue dragon is hermaphroditic, meaning it possesses both male and female reproductive organs. During mating, two blue dragons will exchange sperm, allowing them both to fertilize each other's eggs. After mating, each individual lays a cluster of eggs in a gelatinous mass, which is often attached to floating objects or plants. The eggs hatch into larvae, which then develop into adult blue dragons after a period of floating and feeding on plankton. The juvenile blue dragons undergo several stages of development, gradually growing into fully mature individuals with a characteristic blue coloration and appendages. The life cycle of the blue dragon can vary in length, depending on environmental factors such as food availability and water temperature. Typically, these creatures have a lifespan of several months to a year, but their ability to float with ocean currents allows them to travel vast distances, making it difficult to track their exact movements. Conservation status and challenges. As of now, the blue dragon is not listed as endangered or at risk of extinction. However, like many marine species, it faces several threats, primarily due to human activities. Ocean pollution, particularly the increase in plastic waste, poses a serious risk to marine life, including species like the blue dragon that rely on plankton and small marine organisms for food. Additionally, the effects of climate change, such as ocean warming and acidification, may have an impact on the availability of food for the blue dragon and other marine species. Despite these challenges, the blue dragon's ability to adapt to different ocean environments and its vast distribution across the globe suggests that it may be relatively resilient in the face of environmental changes. However, like all marine creatures, the blue dragon's future depends on the health of the oceans, and it is important to continue efforts to protect marine ecosystems and reduce pollution. Conclusion: a living jewel of the ocean. The blue dragon, Glaucus atlanticus, is one of the most captivating creatures of the ocean, with its stunning appearance, fascinating behaviors, and unique adaptations. As a predator, it plays an important role in maintaining the balance of the marine food web, while its ability to store the venom of its prey offers it protection from predators. Despite its small size, the blue dragon is a formidable creature in the vast expanse of the ocean. As we continue to discover and appreciate the wonders of the marine world, we encourage you to subscribe to Wild Wonders to stay updated on the latest discoveries and conservation efforts. Have you ever seen a blue dragon or encountered it in your area? Let us know what it's called in your language in the comments below.